Hey everyone, welcome back to SkillStack. In today's lesson, we're diving into HTML Lesson 3, Links and Images. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add links for navigation and images to make your web pages more engaging. Before we start, let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. Headings help us organize web page content. Paragraphs add readable text blocks, and formatting makes our text more expressive. Now let's move forward and learn about links and images in HTML. Links are one of the most important parts of the web because they connect pages together. We use the A tag to create a link. The most important attribute here is href, which defines where the link goes. For example, a href equals https www.example.com. Visit example A. This creates a clickable link that takes you to another website. Remember, links can be internal, meaning they point to another page in the same website, or external, meaning they take you outside your site. Links improve navigation and help users explore content easily. Next, let's talk about images. Images are added using the img tag. The key attributes are src, the path to the image file; alt, alternative text, which is important for accessibility; width and height, used to set the image size. Here's an example. img src inarn image.jpg alt toner kara sample image, width founder 300, height anar 200. Images make your website visually appealing, but always remember to use alt text. This helps users with screen readers and improves SEO. Now let's practice combining what we've learned. Try creating a simple HTML page with both a link and an image. This way you'll see how navigation and visuals work together on a web page. First, create a new folder anywhere on your computer. Name it anything you like. I'll call mine My Web Files. Second, add a photo into that folder. Put the image file right inside the same folder where we'll save our HTML file. Make sure the image name is simple. For example, flower.jpg. Now open Notepad, Windows, or TextEdit Mac. If you're on Mac, set TextEdit to plain text from the format menu. Save the file as my second webpage.html. On Windows, choose File Save As and set Save As Type to all files so it doesn't become .txt. On Mac, use .html extension and make sure it's plain text. Type this exact code with me now. You can also copy-paste it from the video description. Now save the file again, press Ctrl+S. Finally open the folder, double-click my second webpage.html. Your browser will render the page. Nice work! You just created a web page with a link and an image. Try changing the link or image name, save, and refresh to see how it updates. To quickly wrap up today's lesson, links connect web pages together and make navigation possible. Images make websites more engaging and visually appealing. And always remember to use alt text for accessibility and SEO. In our next lesson, we'll move on to tables and lists in HTML. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to SkillStack for more coding lessons. Thank you.